Hey, Demetria Davenport here, the massage doctor. Today I want to share with you guys, I have quite a few people reaching out to me, asking me what are some things that they can do to help them stop having the breakouts that they're having with wearing your mask. Now guys, when you're wearing your cloth mask, make sure you guys are washing these at least once a day with a mild detergent, and you can let it air dry, or you can put it in a dryer on a low heat cycle so it can dry. But you know, a lot of people have to wear these in their workplace as well, and because there's still a shortage of face masks, you have to hold on to these disposable ones for a while. So when you put on these masks, a lot of people are having this oval breakout here. Okay, reason being is when you have to wear these masks for long periods of time, you're sweating in them, you're coughing in them, and it's a breeding ground for bacteria, and a lot of people are experiencing acne cysts, also rosacea, because they're red up in here. They'll be red up in here. Also, they'll have bumps on their face in this oval area because of wearing the mask, because it's there. And also, when you're wearing a disposable mask, people are constantly readjusting them. So when you're constantly readjusting these masks, it's irritating your skin and breaking down the barrier of the skin as well, and that's causing you to have breakouts as well. Also, like I said, it causes you to have rosacea and also miliaria. I think I'm pronouncing that correct. And also, some things that you can do is use some emollients, some moisturizers, and prescription medications to control your mask acne. Let me see. I want to make sure I'm not leaving out anything in my notes. And again, guys, that's why you're getting that redness from wearing the mask, because you're trapped. You're just trapping all that moisture in there, and you're not getting that normal exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide. When you're not wearing a mask, because you're wearing a mask, you're not getting that exchange because it's hot up in here. It's just heat. It's just heat up in here, and that's why, guys, you are having these breakouts on your face. I hope this information was very helpful to you guys. If you or someone you know that can benefit from this video, please share, like, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And also, if you have a dermatologist, guys, reach out to your dermatologist and see if there is some a medicated cream they can give you for this as well. And then you also may notice, guys, when you're putting on your moisturizer in the morning, because you have that this mask is rubbing across this oval shaped area, you may feel a little stinging when you're putting on your moisturizer. The reason being is, again, guys, that barrier is being broken down because this is rubbing against your face, and then that moisture is stuck here, and it's breeding bacteria in these masks, guys. So again, make sure you're changing your mask as much as possible, especially these disposable ones. And again, I hope this information was very helpful. The massage doctor signing out. Mwah! Love you. Bye.